Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Slack emoji. Now, creating an emoji in Slack means you're not using the existing emojis. You're adding a custom, your self-made emoji into Slack. Now, to do that, just go and open up your Slack software or just open up the browser version. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the browser. And I have slack.com opened up in here. Then I'll just go to the workspace I want to work on currently. And after that, from the channel section, I'll go to the channel that I want to send the message in. And after that, let's say hey. And after that, I get a bunch of emoji option from this button over here. But let's say I do not want to use these emojis. I want to use my custom emojis. To do that, just click on add emoji button over here. Then I can just go ahead and click on emoji pack and add any of this if I want to, or I can go to custom emoji and add a custom emoji myself. So I'll just go to Google and search for download emoji and select any emoji from here. You can even make your own emojis if you want. I'll just upload one from here. Let's say I want to upload, let's say this one. So I'll just download it, click on save. Then I'll save it somewhere on my PC. Then I'll just go back to Slack. And from here, I'll click on step 1, upload emoji. So I'll click on upload image. I'll select that image and click on open. And after that, I need to give it a name. Let's say thumbs up emoji 1. And after giving it a name, I'll click on save. Then just give it some time. As you can see, thumbs up emoji has been added and is ready to use. So I'll click on the emoji button again. And from here, if I search for thumbs up emoji, I'll find it over here. And there you go. I can send it if I want. And basically that is how to add emojis to Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.